Welcome to today's Explainer. Look, we're diving straight in because we're taking a hard, focused look at how to seize control of your professional stability in a market that's, well, becoming incredibly unpredictable. We're going to unpack the exact framework you need to launch a tested, money-making digital business. And the best part? You can do this without sacrificing your current career.
Okay, let's start with the number that should make absolutely everyone stop and pay attention. 22,000. That represents the roles that can just vanish, without warning, without your permission, and totally without a backup plan for you. Relying solely on a traditional 9-to-5, it's honestly becoming a dangerous gamble. Companies move incredibly fast, and when markets flood, your professional leverage can literally evaporate overnight. We're seeing experienced professionals facing 30 to 40% pay cuts just to re-enter the workforce, all because they waited too long to build a safety net. Now, I'm not saying this to scare you, but it's a critical signal. We need to prepare before that unexpected calendar invite from HR shows up.
So here's our roadmap for the Explainer today. We'll start off by breaking down the psychological traps of the comfort cage. Next, we'll explore the Master Resell Rights business model, bypass the usual business barriers, look inside a complete ready-made business bundle, and then finally, map out your realistic success timeline. Let's get into it.
Section 1. Breaking the comfort cage, the psychological trap of the 9-to-5. You know, we have this incredible tendency to invent imaginary scenarios that totally paralyze us from taking action. Think about it. We actively talk ourselves out of hosting a summit, sending a challenging email, or starting a business just because it feels uncomfortable. We literally spend our energy solving problems that don't even exist yet. But here's the thing. Bravery in business isn't about being fearless. It's about feeling the fear and doing the thing anyway. Have you ever felt like your brain is prioritizing feeling accepted over being challenged? That right there is the comfort cage in action. And the tricky part is, most people don't even realize they're trapped, mostly because the cage is furnished with so much comfort. It's an environment of familiar opinions and constant validation. It kind of whispers to you, hey, why would you leave? You're doing fine. But as humans, we are wired to protect belonging. And that instinct acts as a silent danger to your professional future, basically trading your true freedom for a mere illusion of safety.
Section 2, the MRR business model. Let's explore what it actually is and why smart professionals are using it to fight economic volatility.
Master Resell Rights, or MRR for short, is essentially a massive shortcut. Imagine being able to skip those agonizing months of content creation and just jump straight to the finish line. In today's digital economy, creating high-quality products from scratch is a massive hurdle. MRR completely solves this. It gives you a one-time purchase of ready-made, professional-grade digital products, and you get the permanent rights to sell them. No ongoing fees, zero platform royalties, and absolutely no profit sharing.
Let's compare this to traditional affiliate marketing. Sure, you might earn a 30 to 50% commission for making a sale, but at the end of the day, you're promoting someone else's brand. You're playing by their rules. The MRR model flips that entire script. You step directly into the role of the owner, meaning you get 100% commission. You control the pricing, you control the positioning, and you keep every single dollar that comes in.
To really put that into perspective, keeping 100% of the profits isn't just a nice perk. It represents a massive 150% increase in your net profit per sale compared to standard affiliate marketing. So let's say you're selling a typical $97 course. With an affiliate model, you might net about $36 after all the platform fees. But with MRR, that exact same $97 sale nets you over $92. It's a game changer that dramatically speeds up your break-even timeline and fundamentally shifts the economics of your side hustle. Moving right along to Section 3, bypassing the business barriers and overcoming what we call the execution gap. When you look at the real-world obstacles to starting a digital business, severe time constraints, getting overwhelmed by the tech, the heavy lift of creating content, they can seem totally insurmountable. But inside the nuBeginning system, there are highly practical solutions for every single one of them. Time constraints, solved by micro-progress. Tech overwhelm, totally eliminated through visual, step-by-step tutorials. The heavy burden of content creation is bypassed using ready-made professional courses. And that dangerous void between buying a course and actually building a business, the implementation gap, is bridged through strict accountability structures. The best part? You don't need to give up your weekends for this.
The secret sauce here is the micro-progress methodology. By breaking every single implementation step down into bite-sized, 30-minute actionable tasks, the impossible literally becomes a daily routine. Using priority sequencing, you only focus on the actions that create the fastest path to revenue. Combine that with visual progress tracking and template-based implementation, and busy professionals can genuinely build a thriving business on their lunch break or just after the kids go to bed.
Section 4. Inside the ready-made bundle. Let's look at this ultimate content shortcut.
So, $15,698. That's a staggering number, right? Well, that is the conservative estimated value of everything handed directly to you in the nuBeginning MRR course bundle. We're not talking about a single PDF or a quick thrown-together video course here. This is an entire, comprehensive digital product ecosystem that's fully ready for your personal branding.
Where does all that incredible value actually come from? Well, you're getting 16 complete digital courses valued at $9,600, complete with scripts and worksheets. On top of that, you get $2,400 worth of marketing materials. Think professionally written sales pages, email sequences, and lead magnets. Then add in social media templates, tech implementation guides, and business growth resources. All in, this bundle saves you an estimated 800 to 1,000 hours of grueling product development. You are literally skipping the hardest, most tedious part of the whole process.
How you choose to launch is totally up to your own schedule and constraints. There are two distinct paths here. Option 1 is the guided setup at $897. This offers personalized guidance for hands-on learners who have maybe 5 to 7 hours a week and really want to master the mechanics themselves. But if you're a completely time-starved professional, you want option 2, the done-for-you setup at $1,497. With this one, experts handle the complete technical implementation of your funnels, your delivery systems, and your payment processing, the whole shebang.
Finally, Section 5, your realistic success timeline. Let's map out that journey from setup to sustainable growth. By following this exact framework and working just 30 minutes a day, you can compress the traditional 6 to 12-month product creation runway into an astonishing 7 to 21 days for Phase 1. Think about how wild that difference is. Then, weeks 4 through 6 are all about making those first sales and optimizing based on actual real-world feedback. By months 2 and 3, you're expanding by cross-selling the other products in your ready-made bundle. And by months 4 to 6, you enter sustainable growth, potentially building recurring revenue through strategic upsells that require minimal ongoing maintenance.
Let's look at some real-world examples. Take James. He was a project manager grinding out 50-plus-hour weeks with a very hard ceiling on his income. He used these ready-made MRR templates to launch digital project management training. Now, he's generating $3,200 a month working just 10 hours a week. Having those ready-made products gave him a massive shortcut to start selling immediately. So he was earning real revenue while he was still learning the ropes. Or look at Sonia's transformation. As a registered nurse burned out from 12-hour shifts, she had incredible health expertise but absolutely zero energy or time to create a course from scratch. By leveraging MRR wellness courses, she built a digital business earning $1,200 monthly in passive income. This let her immediately monetize her audience and buy back her absolute most precious asset, her time. She's now working 3 fewer grueling nursing shifts every single month. Just imagine the physical and mental relief of that. We're going to wrap up our explainer today with an incredibly powerful question for you to chew on. Is your circle sharpening you or sedating you in a cage? Look, growth often feels a bit lonely at first because you start to move, think, and choose differently. But that's not disloyalty to your past. It's a profound responsibility to your future self. So are you going to wait around for your professional leverage to vanish? Or are you going to step out of the comfort cage and build your own stability? Take a hard look at your current trajectory right now and ask yourself, what choice will your future self thank you for?